Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your username on Discord using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app and log in your account. So once you've done that, you want to click on the settings button at the lower left side of your screen. And now, under on my account, you can see the usernames section, right? So there's an edit button at the right side of it. So just need to click on that. And now just go ahead and type the new username that you want. And you need to type your password. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on done. And that's it. That is how you change your username on Discord. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.